Matsui Asia Company Limited products and services. Matsui's service team and production team based in Thailand are ready to support our products and services in Thailand and Asia, including Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia and Vietnam. Matsui will make to customers' orders various types of tons injection molding machines. Movable type, up to 3,000 tons injection, and fixed type, between 850 tons and 1,500 tons injection. The concept of Matsui's mold exchanger system: to save the production time by speeding up the mold changing cycle time, to save the cost of production for safety issue, to save manpower in cleaning and operation, to reduce costs for one cycle of molding production, and to manufacture the product locally and provide services by Matsui Asia Company Limited. The working step of the mold exchanger system: movable type, up to 3,000 tons injection. The free mold exchanger table to carry 2 mold types, standing by at the molding store. Loading the new mold A to the free mold exchanger table. Mold A is loaded onto the mold exchanger table and a signal is received. The auto joint is turned on and preheats mold A. The mold exchanger table carries mold A with a free space for another mold and moves on rails to the injection machine. When the mold exchanger table carrying mold A arrives at the injection machine, it will receive a signal to load in mold B from the injection machine. Mold B from the injection machine is loaded in to the mold exchanger table. The loading of mold B to the mold exchanger table is completed. The mold exchanger table carrying mold A and mold B. The Matsui mold exchanger table, which carries mold A with mold B. Mold A is still connected to the auto joint, which is turned on to preheat mold A. Then the auto joint is turned off and the preheated mold A is released to be loaded into the injection machine. The loading of mold A to the injection machine is completed. The free mold exchanger table carrying mold B returns mold B to the molding store area. And then there is another round of changing mold C and mold D and so on. The safety alarm system of the Matsui mold exchanger system. The green and yellow PAT lights will flash together when the Matsui mold exchanger table is running on the rails. The green PAT light alone will flash during the loading or unloading from the injection machine. The mold exchanger table will auto-stop immediately should either the front or back bumper touch any object while the mold exchanger table is moving. The red PAT light on the control panel will flash. The mold exchanger table can be stopped immediately by pushing the red button on the control panel. Error demand will be shown on the control panel if there is any interruption in the steps of operation of the Matsui mold exchanger system. The main menu on the control panel shows 3 categories for data entry: auto monitor, hot runner setting, and inverter monitor. The auto monitor is able to control when the molds are loaded to or unloaded from any of the injection machines. The hot runner monitor controls whether mold A or mold B will be preheated by the auto joint. The mold data setting controls which zones of mold A and mold B are to be preheated by the auto joint. The red alarm PAT light on the control panel will flash when the mold temperature exceeds the set value. The inverter monitor controls the motor speed of the Matsui mold exchanger table, the center roller of the Matsui mold exchanger table, and the roller on the injection machine. Manual operation. The data on the control panel can be amended manually. The overall layout shows the signals transferred between the injection machines and the mold exchanger table. Matsui's mold exchanger system. Matsui Asia Company Limited products and services. Matsui's service team and production team based in Thailand are ready to support our products and services in Thailand and Asia, including Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia and Vietnam.